First of all, we made sure we had a good partner, and our partner is Chubb, and they've done a terrific job of following through on the insurance that we've told each club that they're going to have and the protection they're going to have.
We're involved in all sorts of different fronts, not just on the insurance side, but you know, we take great pride in our relationship with U.S. Sailing, with Chubb, and introducing Chubb to the equation of junior sailing and junior sailing championships. And giving something back is always a great feeling. Our relationship with U.S. Sailing is a model relationship that you'd like to have with an organizing governing body. We work well together, we share our ideas, you know, we're enthusiastic with anything that we can do for them with respect to sailing and improving sort of the value added that U.S. Sailing can provide to its membership.
Chubb has a slogan that's very apropos. They said nobody thinks about insurance until they really need it.
The people who have had problems really understand why they have insurance. Those clubs that haven't had those issues, sometimes it's a little bit harder for them to comprehend it. But after 30 years, we've seen an awful lot of things that these clubs we hope will never see, but it's certainly things that we protect them for.